Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a garden to make pie. First, consider your climate and choose fruits like apples, berries, or rhubarb that will thrive. Next, select a sunny location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Finally, test your soil's pH level. Most pie fruits prefer a range between 6, 0 and 7, 0 for optimal growth. This foundational planning ensures a successful harvest. Once your garden spot is ready, plant your chosen fruit trees or bushes in well-drained soil, ensuring proper spacing for growth. Consistent watering is crucial, especially during dry spells. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week. Remember to fertilize annually with a balanced organic fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. Proper care throughout the growing season will lead to a bountiful harvest for your pies. When your fruits are ripe, it's time to harvest. Look for vibrant color, appropriate firmness, and ease of picking. After gathering, thoroughly wash and prepare your fresh ingredients, carefully removing any stems or seeds. Then, gather all your other essential pie components, such as flour, sugar, and butter, to begin crafting your delicious homemade crust. Fresh ingredients make all the difference. Now for the best part, assembling and baking your pie. Carefully combine your flaky crust with the flavorful fruit filling. Bake your masterpiece at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown. The aroma filling your kitchen will be incredible. For more gardening tips and delicious recipes, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pie.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.